So what we're doing is putting this lip bottom corner here right on the bottom of the plywood. It would be my thought if anybody comes over here, they tend to come from that corner and look this way. Right. So we'll go under here so that edge, that lap wouldn't stand out so much eyeball-wise. It really doesn't matter a lot, but that's a good practice when it comes to any kind of siding. So we're going to go underneath this one. And on the bottom. And then where the lap's over, he puts screws. Suck it up a little bit more. Yeah. I'm going to get this even and you're good to go.
Happy with that?
Yeah, I'm good. Going with you getting back into the age of electronics.
I like it. I didn't know it was that easy. I would have done it 2 days ago.
You want to tell them why you're saying that?
All right.
Boss?
Because the people in another country could not communicate nor know what his problem was. Which was he paid for a service and he had 2 SIM cards. They put it on the other SIM card instead of the new SIM card. They put it on his old SIM card. So he had 3 months that he paid for. He went 3 days or maybe more, 5.
Yeah, about 5 days.
5 days without. Hold on. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. Because nobody could tell that they put it on his old SIM card instead of the new one. So he finally, like, after having, how many conversations did you have with those people?
4 different ones.
4 long, lengthy conversations with people who can't speak the language.
Couldn't pronounce my name at all.
Yeah, could not say his name, Byron, which is a handicap in itself.